Alright, Surface. So I was thinking, you combine Surface, Steam Deck, which I don't have, but you know. So today, installing SteamOS on the Surface Book, specifically the second generation one, which I'm going to log into now. Well, if we have a little look at the specs here, we've got i7 at 8650U running at 1.9 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of RAM, the fastest kind, a random OEM NVMe drive, very cool, and the fastest graphics card of all time. But this would make the greatest Steam Deck of all time, I believe. So first we need to start with the stupid installer thing. I think today we're going to go with a little bit of Holo ISO because it's cool. I'm just going to be erasing Windows because, you know, Windows. Holo ISO immutable. Let's hope that's normal. And sorry for the stupid lights. But Holo ISO, yep. Sounds very cool. No support provided now. That's epic. I say we run it without testing anything else. Let's grab the latest release of Holo ISO. We're going to be using the stupid SanDisk one because, you know, I felt like it. Cool, it's only going to take literal 10 years to download. I love this so much. Alright, well, I decided to grab the stupid little charger, this stupid thing if you can see it. Yep, let's just do that. Flash. Amazing. Now it's going to take the longest amount of time ever. Yay! Now we have to watch it. Yay! This thing is basically done. So, yeah, I'm just gonna... You'll be fine, right? We do volume down and we poke the power button. I may have had to hold it. Oh, okay, I got it. Let's have a look here. So, boot configuration. Yeah, oh, I have open core on here. Let's just ignore that. Oh, how do you... Oh. Cool, let's do that. Oh my god, it's so small. Arch Linux. It's booting. Welcome to Arch Linux. Oh my god. Okay. I've never actually done this before, so... Oh no. Oh no, it's fine, never mind. The only thing I can see... That guy... Yo! Welcome to Arch Linux using KD Plasma. Let's just do it. Sounds great, man. Okay. Okay, so we have a few drivers actually working. That's really good. Install. The Holo ISO installer. Next. Oh my god. I think I just saw sound installed. Pretty epic. Alright, just copying the image file. Well, now we just wait for this to finish. Alright. Oh, Installation finished. Is it that easy? Reboot. Actually, we'll shut down and we'll just boot it up from scratch. Oh my god, that scared me. Press the power button a few more times and it seems to be working now. Oh, okay. Oh. It's gone. The laptop is on. Okay. So that doesn't seem to do anything. Now we have this flash drive, which has Brightlight flashed onto it. Only difference with that flashlight and flashlight? The reason why I'm using this flash drive instead is because for some reason Windows doesn't want anything to do with this one now. So it's basically dead. Great. Plug this drive in. Do our little volume down power button trick. Alrighty. Go to the usual boot configuration. Yoink. And now we're basically just gonna get rid of that. Because Holo ISO is very dead. So we're just gonna wipe it away and plug the USB all the work now. Honestly, I think I officially give up on this. Here is what I've tried so far for anybody else attempting this. I discovered in the BIOS you can actually turn off the dedicated GPU, so the, NVIDIA card in this thing. But nothing else seems to actually, work. What can I turn off? Let's turn off everything but that. We'll go back to Holo ISO for a moment. So I'll basically run through what I've tried so far, just to make sure, it doesn't work if it was to, suddenly work or something. It hangs here, I've let it sit for maybe 10 minutes or so, nothing. So I gave up on that, and I went straight back to using the USB because, Brightlight. And this is a normal Surface Book thing to do. I have an idea. I'm going to use the Holo ISO USB again. Which honestly, I'm going to install a beta version of as well. I wonder if that will make any difference. Probably a waste of time, but I'll get back to you in a minute because I think I might have a great idea. My final attempt here. I have Holo ISO flashed onto this USB. Now instead of installing Holo ISO like I was hoping to do, in theory, I should just be able to run it off a live USB. Like, the install environment, really, if that's what you want to call it. The usual selections. So weird how this runs on the install environment, but not on the operating system. It might be driver related. I doubt it. Alright, let's have a look. First of all, we're going to change the resolution. I'll just do that. That's not exactly the same aspect ratio, but now we can actually record the screen properly. Touch screen, actual window. Okay, that's what I thought. No touch. The system. Oh. Huh. Interesting. Alright, let's have a look. Steam. Oh, and it thinks I'm a bot. That's real kind. Install Steam. I think from what I remember, I can just open it. Could not open. Oh, that's real nice. Can I play like browser-based games? That'd be epic. Hold on. What was that like Mario Portal game? That was epic. Mario? I think this was it. Oh my god, please run on this version of Linux. Please. What, is executable? Mario Online. Please. Let's play some Mario. Oh my god, it works! I don't need SteamOS. Oh yeah, this is like epic. I forgot how right click was double. Yep. I'm done. Wait. Huh? What did the... Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna restart for the final time. That's what HoloISO does. Nothing. I failed. So, if you want to see me retry this in another video, or, you know, you have help, like, you can help with all, please leave a comment or something on what I do to fix this, because I'm stupid. So, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and, see you next time. Bye.